guys. So let's just take analysis on synthetic indices for today. So on synthetic indices, we'll be starting with VIX, and of course, we don't know the market called synthetic. It's actually made available by Deriv, and of which you can actually trade them on weekend, you can trade them on public holidays, no fundamental, just pure technical. You can do your technical analysis very well, and of course, as you can see this chart already, it's definitely going to work out once the technical is okay. And if you don't have any accounts with them, because I just said in the description, I'll be dropping a link to their broker, to the broker of which you can actually register an account, and believe me, you have several profits, several benefits, just like I just said right now. You have unlimited access. You can trade gold, you can trade everything tradable, both from forex, synthetic, stocks, indices. You can trade every single thing, just one single broker. So you don't have any reason to be swapping from one broker to another. And of course, their leverage is customizable. So as you want, you can just choose the leverage is okay for you. So tell me, what more do you want to do you need in a broker, or is it deposit and withdrawal? We have several means of deposit, several means of withdrawal. There are just too many numerous benefits. Anyway, let's go to this analysis. So today actually we make this 75 1 second. So yesterday we actually made a profit and loss was then profit. I think we entered the market somewhere around here. I think somewhere around here, somewhere around there. I think so. Then this got us out. Then after that, I think we waited for this again, this rejection, then this entered again, and of which 1 to 2 was around here. And we took the profits on that. So currently, let's see what's gonna happen for today. So let's mark out. It's obvious that we are creating series of zone already. So this should be the next right now. So this is going to be next. So let me move this and then target this as the next low. So let's go to, so you can still see, just in case you don't have mark, you go to 4HR, then mark at present high and recent lows. Now what do you expect? Now you're expecting a break below this zone is a major bearish move. A break above this is a major bullish move. Then if you want to trade in between it, because it's actually very volatile, you can now wait for break of structures. So you can have a break of structures just as we have right now. So in a break of structure, for now it's already broken, so just wait for it. Either it gets here, gets rejected, then targets here, or break above this for a good time bullish, or a break below for a good time bearish. Otherwise, internally, you wait for break of structures, of which you can't see that right now. What is break of structure? I'm sure you know that. If you don't know that, you can still watch my previous videos where we cover break of structures. I only want this video to be too long, so I can't start explaining what break of structure means right now. So you can just watch the previous video on break of structure. So that means currently I'm actually still bullish. So a break above this what confirms I'm bull. A break below this confirms a bear. But for me, I think I still prefer the bullish trend to continue. This is already on a bullish trend currently. So let's see 75, which is the younger brother. Now, of course, here our zone is still valid. This particular one has been moving up and down for the past, let's say, even 2 weeks, 7 weeks. You can see here from here with this zone, it has moved, it refused to break above it, just moving to and fro, to and fro. So we still have to wait for it, or wait for internal break of structure, which is not really that clear. This break of structure for now is not still clear. So just let's avoid this for now until we have a breakout above this or a break below this. Then we can drop a lot on that. So for now, let's just avoid volatility 75 for the meantime. So let's go to the next one, which is going to be crash 500. So for 500, the zone we do is actually still valid. I can currently see a break of structures. So let me see if that break of structure is actually valid. So the break of structure you're currently having, that's around somewhere around here, where it could not go below. So let's wait, we can see the market actually go below that. They can see this right here, giving us series of what's it called, higher higher and higher lows. The market is moving up and up. So let's see if we can break above this, have a test on today. We can target the market on the bullish side, targeting this, and of course stop loss is going to be right here. Remember, just 15 minutes charts. So I'm sure you're able to take that. So let's wait for a breakout above this. If it tests, that means if they're trying to go below it, but then they are not able to, and still a full bullish candle closing, they can go long on that. And of course, the targets here, of course, stop loss is going to be right here. And of course, trade alerts will be dropped on that. So you can just check the trade alerts, which should be dropped anytime soon once the market gets broken. And for you to receive that, please, if you haven't subscribed, I'll give you a few seconds to just hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. So let's have the few seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Thank you. I'm sure you subscribe to that. Now don't forget the bell icon beside it. So that's it. Still bullish. It break above this, and then we go long on that. Okay, let's go to boom 500. Boom 500 actually took this bearish move. That was I think like 2 days ago. So we took this bearish move. Let's see what's gonna happen today because they didn't really take trade on it yesterday. So let's mark out this. Let's just move this, which was our recent low. Let's move it down here. Then let's delete this right here. So recent high, then recent low is now right here. Or better still, let's expect this and then drag it to touch this too. Okay, then let's go to the 1 hour chart to confirm. Yes, okay, good. So then what do you expect? A book of structures. You can see a minor book of structure right here because the market was actually expecting market was actually expecting this zone. Remember, it is in time because structure. You can see a bullish move. But then for me, I want this to trade this. Just will break at above this, a retest of this, then you can think of going full time long. When you break below this, a retest, you think of going full time short. Let me still take it down so you can see clearly in case you want to use to mark your own. And as a disclaimer, this is not a financial advice. I'm not telling you to take your trade the way I take mine exactly. It's just my own analysis. You can do it to compare it with yours, and if it works as well with you, fine. And if it doesn't, please do it to actually do your own personal analysis. Now, so what I expect is a break above this, a retest, and a target is next zone, or a break below this, a retest, and of course, we have a long time bearish trend to go. Now, you go to the next trade, this will be the boom 1000. Boom 1000, actually, we analyzed the 3 days still, which was happening somewhere around there, where we went long, and of course, we went to this level, then came back, and currently we are still long on it. So, till now, we've not got to that time. The type was something, so I mean, I know should be let me check. Yes, I know we are not because I just checked the trade. We are still in the market. This is where our target is. So for now, we are still hoping the market gets to our target. So actually, we went long. That was around somewhere around here. Our stop loss was here. And since that yesterday to today, we are still in the market. So let's hope today is going to be favorable and the market gets to our target, which is going to be here. So what do you expect? Maybe you can now have a break above this, a test of this zone there. You can think of going long to this zone, or a break below this, a retest, then think of going short. I repeat, a break above, a retest, you go long, a break below, a retest, then I go short. Let me say you, I. So you know, it's actually my own analysis. Just try to compare it with yours. And don't worry, if this analysis is actually okay with you, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to love this particular video if this analysis is okay with you. And please don't forget, you can actually drop your comment in the comment section and you can share this video with your friends and your colleagues that feel might need this information. So you're going to the final one for today. This is going to be the Crash 1000. So for Cash 1000, it was the zone we do yesterday, and we said I didn't really see this trade. I didn't take any trade. I think we should avoid this. So actually, I didn't really check this trade yesterday. So let me just see what's happening right now. I'm seeing the market going below is okay. No problem. Actually, I didn't really open this chart yesterday. This particular what's it called? Crash 1000. So you can actually see this, but let's see what happens when the market gets here. For now, I'm saying just stay avoid it. Let's see if we might actually get above this, or then the recent low, which is now around here. So that break below this, a test of this one, they can short this, or then the market gets here. The reaction here tells us if we are going long or we are going short. Of course, last we drop on that. So that said, that will be the end of the analysis on volatility and synthetic indices. So please, as a reminder, if you don't know the broker which made is available, their name is Deriv. The link is in the description for you to register. And of course, you can pay this on weekend, on public holidays, non-stop. This is available 247, real full time for 247. Nothing like fundamental, no unseen news, no nothing. Just a technical, and then you are good to go. That said, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and please, if this video is actually important or if you this information is necessary, do it to share it with your friends and your colleagues. Let them also come in contact with this information and use it as a guide in their own analysis for the day. Of course, do have a profitable day trade ahead.